Good day, sir, madam. I'm Julian Pacun. I'm 23 years old. I'm single.
Good day, Miss Julian. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper?
Honest and loyal and hardworking.
So can you tell us how to take care of the children?
Give vitamins every day and take a bath and change the clothes every day.
What if you commit mistakes to your employer? What will you do?
I will say sorry, sir, madam. I will not doing again.
So what is your last message to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me because I support my family to earn money and I promise to finish 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Julian. Hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, sir, madam.